First of all, I have any pen drive in my laptop, and second step is I type in start bar CMD and press right click, run as an administrator. Yes. First step, I type disk part, then press enter. Okay, now this part is selected. And type second step list, type list space disk, press enter. You can see the pen drive is disk part 1 7633 MB and free 7632 MB. Now I am selected disk part 1, and third step is select disk 1. Sorry, fourth step is select disk 1. Then I type select disk space 1, then interface. Disk 1 is now the selected disk. Okay, and step 5, clean, press enter. Disk part succeed in cleaning the disk. Step 6 is create and sixth step is create space part space free, press enter. And step 7, select part 1, press enter. Partition 1 is now the selected partitions. Okay, done. Next step, step 8, format space fs and equal to anti fs. quick. Press enter. You can see 0% completed when the task is completed, and you saw this part successfully formatted the volume. And next step 9, active. Type active, press enter. Last command exit, then enter. And your pen drive is now bootable. Now copy the step of this window to your laptop. Windows setup, I mean, and paste here. Press here. Paste here. USB drive. Now your pen drive is bootable, and your pen drive you can install Windows 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now thank you.